Hi friends, today video is about the beautiful kitchen countertop design ideas, and in this video we are going to know what are the advantages and what are the price for different types of countertops. So friends, if you like our videos then please like and share this video. So let's continue to the topic. So friends, kitchen countertops offer to the several advantages making them essential part of any functional kitchen. 10 best kitchen countertop design ideas. The first one is the granite countertop. First one is the granite countertop. Second one is the quartz countertop. Third one is the marble countertop. Fourth one is the concrete countertop. Fifth one is the stainless steel countertop. And sixth one is the glass countertop. Seventh one is the laminated countertop. Eighth one is the wooden countertop. Ninth one is the soapstone countertop. And tenth one is the tiles countertop. So friends, granite is starting from 150 to 450 per square feet. It's for standard granite and 400 to the 1500 premium varieties. And another one is the marble. So 250 to 600 per square feet. It is standard price and 800 to the 3000 Italian marbles price. And another one is the quarters. Quartz price is starting from 400 to the 1200 per square feet and laminates is the 100 to the 300. Solid surface is the 800 to 2500 and concrete is the starting from 300 to 700. Next one is the wooden. Wooden countertops is the 300 to 1500. Stainless steel is the 500 to the 2000. It's only I am telling about all is the starting price per square feet. So friends, installation charges may be also apply ranging from 150 to the 400 per square foot. Prices can influence based on region and specific customizable needs. High quality countertops, especially those made from non-porous materials like quartz or stainless steel and are easy to clean and maintain, reducing the risk of bacteria and mold growth. And increasing home value. Investing premium countertops can significantly boost the resale value of your house. Potential buyers often to the look of quality kitchen features. When it comes to the classic kind of countertops, granite lends an elegant appeal to any kitchen. With over 20 shades to choose from, it is not difficult to find that ones work with your house theme. These types of countertops are sturdy and seal variety of these types of countertop materials make it antibacterial. And granite is highly resistant, heat resistant, ideal to use in the kitchens where the hot pots and pans are you put there. It's highly reusable and making it cost effective material. Quartz kitchen countertops are binding of ground stone particles together and plastic resin made from one of the strongest materials. It's maintained extremely simple warm water and sponge to the vibe. And while standard slab is a 60 into 120 inches, these engineered countertops allow for runs that can be cut to fit versatile home decor design. It's highly non-porous and scratch resistant, which lends quartz is a easy to maintain frame, environment friendly, and antibacterial and highly customizable. Concrete countertops are highly heat resistant, making them ideal candidates for kitchen. Out of all the different types of countertops in the market, you can use concrete create rustic touch in your kitchen. Use brush to the scrub of dry food and stains. It's also helpful to seal and get monthly maintenance is done. It's highly customizable and useful made of to fit on site. It is heat resistant to the available loads of color. Kitchen countertops offer several advantages, making them essential part of any functional kitchen. Here are some of the key benefits. First one is a durable workspace. Countertops provide sturdy and durable surface for food preparation. cooking, and other kitchen activities. Materials like granite, quartz, and solid surfaces are resistant to scratches, heat, and stains. And second one is the authentic appeal. These countertops comes in variety of colors and textures and materials, allowing to enhance the overall look of your kitchen. They can complement cabinetry, backsplashes, and flooring to create couture design. And hygienic surface. High quality countertops, especially those made from non porous materials like quartz or stainless steel, are easy to clean and maintain, reducing the risk of bacteria and mold growth. And investing in premium countertops can significantly boost the resale value of your house. Potential buyers often look for quality kitchen features and attractive durable countertops a strong selling point. Countertops can be customized to fit specific kitchen designs and layouts, including the installation of sinks, cutting boards, and other features. They can also be cut into different shapes and sizes to meet your preferences. And they offer to the space for multiple kitchen tasks such as cooking, chopping, or even dining is extended into breakfast, bar, or island. And some materials like granites and quartz are highly resistant to heat, stains, and scratches, and which can be the enhanced long life functionality in busy kitchens. Investment the many countertops materials such as granite, quartz are designed last for decades with minimal upkeep, making them cost effective investment for over time. These advantages make these kitchen countertops both practical and ethical pleasing elements in modern kitchen. So friends, if you like this, if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Out of all the options in different types of countertops, steel is classic and when it comes to the commercial kitchens, why it is durable and resistant material that can sustain over long term with minimal maintenance. Steel counts as one of those kinds of countertops that requires only wet sponge to clean, though it's making its way homes more frequently now. And steel countertops are known for their durability. This elegant material has very stable and sleek and shiny appearance. It is reflective, dust and fire resistant, making it ideal candidate among to the different kind of countertops available in the market. And another one is a laminate. Laminate kitchen countertops are affordable option for any looking and it's recreate the beauty of natural stone on a budget. These types of countertops add versatile and textured design and are simple to install and maintain. Moreover, laminates is more pocket friendly and then granite or marbles. Used to the mixture of dry scrubs and wet sponge, the regular maintenance. This is countertops. Laminate is perfect for designer look on budget. It's easy to install and can be fit without professional help. The tile countertops is that there are different types of countertop tiles that can one explore. Ceramic tiles, terrazzo tiles, mosaic and porcelain tiles. The one you can see above is the porcelain tiles. These tiles are very durable option and you can easily maintain them by using regular sponge. Although different kind of countertops made with different tiles have their own set of pros and cons, and there are some that are common across all tiles. These types of countertops are durable and easy to maintain. They offer to the range of options from designs and patterns to the different price ranges. And next one is soapstone soapstone countertops. These soapstone countertops are perfect middle ground for someone looking for the dark finish of granite. They comes light and vanillin of marble. These types of countertops create rustic and old charm look in your house. To maintain them should periodically buff soapstone countertops with sandpaper to keep them looking fresh and new. Aside from that fact that soapstone countertops are authentic, They are also quite durable option for the kitchen countertops. They do not stain easily, making them super easy to maintain Indian kitchens. Kitchen countertops is maintenance should not be horror story. And whatever you decide, go for any kitchen countertop. And some are the cleaning tips. First one is a walk is the following steps: cleaning, staining, remove, and sealing. Avoid to the using hash and surface cleaners or dishwashers as they can leave of your kitchen countertop is patchy. Most of the time, mild soap and water does the job. However, check the each material requires. Always opposite for microfiber cloth first through the cleaning. Get your kitchen deep cleaned professional once in a year.